Hey there everyone. The topic of my today's video is Kepler's first law of planetary motion. Before starting the lecture, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. In this lecture, I will discuss Kepler's first law. Before moving towards the law statement, we must know how Kepler's laws are useful, although he has given his laws before the invention of the telescope. In astronomy, Kepler's law of planetary motions are three scientific laws describing the motion of planets around the sun. It was published by Johannes Kepler between 1609 and 1619. Let's move towards the statement of this law. Kepler derived his first law of planetary motion. He says that a planet travels in an elliptical orbit with the sun at one focus. Basically, an ellipse is a shape that resembles a flattened circle. How much the circle is flattened is expressed by its eccentricity. The eccentricity is a number between 0 and 1. It is 0 for a perfect circle. So, the first law states that every satellite revolves around the Earth in an elliptical orbit with the Earth occupying one of the foci of the ellipse. This is the mathematical representation where V is equals to k by under root r plus a. Here k is the Kepler's constant, which is always 630, and r is the mean radius of the Earth, which is 6371 kilometers, and a is the altitude of the satellite, which will vary numerical to numerical. The unit of this is meters per second, because v is the velocity. We can also define Kepler's law as all planets move about the Sun in an elliptical orbit having the Sun as one of the foci. All planets mean it may be a Mercury, it may be a Venus, Jupiter, etc. This is the diagrammatic representation as artificial satellite is revolving around the Earth, as satellite is placed on one of the foci of the ellipse. Let's do the numerical first. We are having a numerical in which we have to calculate the velocity of the satellite when altitude of the satellite is 500 kilometers. First of all, we have to write the data. We are given a altitude of the satellite, which is 500 kilometers, and we are required velocity. The formula is v is equals to k by under root r plus a, where k is the Kepler's constant, which is 630, and r is the mean radius of the Earth, which will be always 6371 kilometers. The solution will be v is equals to k 30 630. K will be 630 under root r is 6371 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus altitude, which is 500 kilometers, so 500 into 10 raised to the power 3, and the velocity will be 0.007 meters per second. Here is the second numerical in which the altitude, let's take the altitude as 3700 kilometers. So I want all of you to solve this numerical and write the answer in comment box. Then I'll share my views in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.